Now I will be showing you how to color correct in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18. So as you can see, this clip here is very dull and it doesn't have a lot of color, so we can easily fix that. So what you're going to want to do is go down to your FX tab right here, Event FX, click on that, and there are multiple things you can use. I suggest using, let's see here, brightness and contrast. You can use this to up the contrast. This is the first one you want to use, and you can also use the brightness. I don't suggest using that though, because it makes it a little too bright, but the contrast adds a little more depth to the video. So once you have this, you can click on that and it will give you this list again. I'm gonna click color corrector, add, OK, and it'll bring me up to this menu. And now I can do saturation, which will bring up the color. I can bring it all the way up to a really weird looking vibrant, or I can bring it all the way down to black and white. It's usually left at starting off here, so I'd recommend bringing it up to the middle. And now this looks a little bit better. I can do a lot more work on to that to make it look better, but now it is color, looks great compared to this. Makes it look a lot better. So that is how you color correct in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18.